Good night, teacher. My name is Jair Sanchez. How endangered are human rights in Colombia right now? Human rights in Colombia are recognized by our government and established in our constitution. However, poverty and inequality, see, along with forced displacement and insecurity, are real problems concerning our country. The main reason is that our rights are not always taken into account. Many most of us cannot see it because we have a good life. We harbor and hope and feel safe in our neighborhood. That those not in our country doesn't have a human rights violation and abused problem. In main towns and small communities around here, Colombians are protected under the Bureau of Law. There are lots of homeless people and large number of children without a family. By teacher.